The online classes are set up asynchronously. Our materials are all online, available all the time, and you sign on to the class whenever you have time to work on your homework. And there are online videos, there's online written content and PDFs and PowerPoint slides and things like that. There's some online questions and answers. There is also some online labs that you can launch, and that'll be you actually working with Amazon Web Services yourself, starting and stopping and configuring these online resources.
It's kind of a flipped classroom model, so we require students to kind of read through the slides or watch the lectures at home before class.
We're going to meet twice a week for 2 hours each day, and we're going to get together and have a synchronous class where we use some web conferencing software called Zoom, and it's kind of like everybody's online together at the same time. We won't have to be in the same location together, but the web conferencing software allows us to have a class meeting.
We basically begin the class by asking students questions about the material they covered last night, and then we really dive deeper into areas where they might be struggling. We often use in-class assessments through clickers or polls that are live, where we ask students questions about the material that are very similar to some of the exam questions that are on the CERT exam. That really helps guide the lecture experience, where we can see students are weak and understand the concepts that they've grasped pretty cleanly. And then we kind of take it a step further. Amazon provides some lab material. They're fairly canned and scripted labs that walk you through something, but we really feel like to understand that material, you really have to go through it yourself. And so we kind of add to those labs, or what we call challenge labs, and they really put you in a real environment with real Amazon architecture, and they often model real world problems where you're trying to sort of come up with a solution on your own and demonstrate your knowledge of that experience, and then we kind of guide you there as well if you get stuck.
We do understand that if you have previous commitments or you have work commitments that pop up, sometimes it's necessary to miss our synchronous class meetings. Of course, we don't encourage it because we think we get a lot of value from our class meetings.
We will make all that material available offline, so if you missed that class, you can repeat that lecture experience as well. We're also available for questions outside of class, so if you can't make a particular time when we're meeting as a group virtually, you can just ask us questions. We're available after the class is over.